So we've been doing bunker cams at Specialty Capture for a while now, but those have all been wired versions of that. So this is the first wireless version of the bunker cam. So the major thing is we've got the camera on the lip of the bunker to get that great shot of the golfer swinging out and getting onto the green, the sand spraying over him. And attached to that is a cup system where there's two capsules, a battery and a transmitter cup, where the battery powers the transmitter and camera all day long, and the transmitter is right beside it, blasting out that RF signal that we pick up. And with those cups, they sit in the same profile that the hole cutters are used for the greens, so that the grounds crew can just come by, stamp in a hole, and we drop the system right in there and take out the batteries when we need to and pop a new one right in. And the top of it plays like a sprinkler head, so it's all compliant. All we need is a receive site nearby to pick up that RF transmission. So we use a lot of manufacturing techniques, machining, 3D printing, and a lot of the specialty components in there. Like the top cap for it is a TPU-based rubber, so if it gets hit by a ball or anything, it's not going to break and it's not going to deflect the ball too much, and keeps everything waterproof, as well as ABS internal, which will last all throughout any weather conditions, and a special printing technique to make it all waterproof and watertight. So we generate a standard SDR format and then an HDR format as well, with a lot more colors that really makes the greens pop and the golfers stand out. So we're able to feed them both of those, and they can choose any of the four cameras, either format they like, and color space it and make it really match and look good with the other cameras on the field. So far, we've got all thumbs up, and from the grounds crews as well. They love it a lot more than having to do a lot of trenching, and everybody's really excited to see it in action this weekend. It sounds cheesy, but it really is one big family out here on the road. I mean, you've got so many people and so many systems come together. It's crazy logistics. It's trucks with, miles and miles of interconnects in between them, and everybody working to make good show and make everybody happy in production and give the viewers the best experience.